Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Rain Access Solutions, I'm just going to show you my newly purchased mini yogurt maker and a small refrigerator. This item is a product of MicDawn, which is a brand name, and I think they're focusing on making portable refrigerators and coolers. So here you can see that it's really small and there is a glass canister inside that you can pull out, and the glass is not thick, so be careful when handling the glass because it might break anytime. As you can see here, I have already filled it up with a blended concoction of apple, orange, and carrot. The size of the glass is about 13.5 centimeter high. And the width is about 4.5 centimeters. It can only accommodate around 200 ml of liquid. The glass seems to be very brittle, so I'm always being careful when I'm handling it. The internal part of the main unit is made of aluminum, so that makes it a good conductor of cold temperature. The technology behind, which is responsible for making this item cooler than its surrounding environment, is called the Peltier device. The user control is easy to operate. You only have 3 options to choose from. 1 and 2 is for yogurt making, and the number 3 is for cooling the item inside. Once you have carefully placed the glass inside, you can now power this device using a USB power connector. There is a Type-C USB port at the back, and you can power it with a 5-volt power source, and the current should be 2 amperes. Once connected, you can now press the single button in front. Press once for 1 and press 3 times to select the cool option. The cool option will cool down this device down to 10 degrees centigrade or 10 degrees Celsius. It will take some time for it to reach the 10 degrees Celsius temperature. Once you have set it to cool function, you cannot select any other options. You will have to remove the USB cord and plug it again and start selecting your options once again. It will start cooling down the glass inside in about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you let it run under the cool function, the colder the item will be. After 5 to 10 minutes of running, the temperature at the top of the glass is around 21.6 Celsius. The main body will be a bit higher at 22.9, which is still colder than the surrounding area. The problem with the juices that I made before I purchased this item is that they get easily spoiled. I would usually get stomach discomfort in the afternoon because the juice that I made that is supposed to last for the whole day has turned bad. And with this item, it does not only feel cold when you touch it, but as you can see, the juice's consistency inside will kind of solidify due to the cold temperature. Alright guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you very much for watching.